thanks, bro.
We were watching your videos this morning. I'm like, fuck, I'm a big fan.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well, I'm yours now.
That's
I'm your
cool.
fan now.
That's cool.
You know what you are? You're the fucking... Nah, you're the guy. Everybody's got a friend like you, right? That's you?
Yeah.
That's so like the obvious guy. You're the most obvious buddy. Do you know what I mean?
I love it.
Like even a sitcom would be like, yo, they'd show you and they'd be like, not him, that's too obvious. Do you know what I mean? And the merch that he's got, look what I got for you, bro. Wouldn't make a dent.
That's crazy.
That's for you, okay? This is because you take the dents out of my car. So this is all for you guys here.
That's awesome.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
For you guys.
Appreciate it. That's
There you
amazing.
go. So wear that, not that, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
But don't show us your body. Do it inside.
He's the best.
You're the best, bro.
The best.
I appreciate
Funny.
you, man.
Your buddy is hilarious. I'm like, yeah, he was nervous or on drugs.
Okay, we have a full-size Range Rover here. So this car came in, customer complaining that there's a lot of noise and stuff happening in the front suspension. So Santos took the car up and we took a look at it and we realized that somebody had replaced the arms on this car, both right and left arm, and had put two right side arms. So there's two right side arms on the car. So the left had right on there, which I don't know how they were able to fit it. I don't know what they did. Obviously they were not paying attention and it was making all kinds of noises, touching everywhere. So we changed it now. We have the correct left side arm in the front, left front, and right front. So yeah, that's why you guys come here. If you guys pay attention, you see that this arm is curved actually from the top instead of it being down as this one is. So that's why it's completely the opposite arm. And yeah, it was touching everywhere. You see the shiny part? So yeah, as you guys can see, the shiny part is where the wrong arm was rubbing and making all this noise. So customer's gonna be happy.
No, because we have to put more lights and
We're not putting more lights.
the more.
On the wheels only.
Okay.
Do you work here? Are you here?
Sometimes.
Are you here
I'm
today?
tired. I'm at home now.
So you're here, but you're mentally home. You want to go home.
Yeah. I'm tired.
Let him go home.
Can I go home?
If you go home, Vic's
Just
gonna,
give me my check and I go home.
if I give you your paycheck and you go home early, what time is it? 4?
gonna
Vic's
cut-
gonna ask me why did you leave
You're
early. What am I
gonna
gonna
cut
say?
my check. Half of the check gonna cut
Yeah. What are you gonna tell Vic? Why did you go home early?
because I'm tired. Because my finger hurts.
So you're tired and you want to go home.
Because
So
my finger hurts. This one.
that one. This car's taking so long
Okay,
because
let's go.
we're
Help
adding
me-
a lot of
help
stuff
me
to this
bring
car.
it.
We're adding a lot of details to this car. We're putting lights everywhere. We have to add more lights still, but a lot of the car is almost complete. I would say 85% is complete.
I put
Let's show
this
some of the
already.
lights.
I put this already and I glue it because it was broken.
Nice, it's gonna fall off. Okay,
Why you
look,
start it?
have you seen the connection in the lights? It's really cool, look. So we have two small buttons here. One is for exterior lighting, one is for interior lighting. This is interior, of course, we're not done yet. All the seats are gonna go in, it's gonna look really nice everywhere. And then this is for exterior, which the whole car outside lights up really nice, everywhere. There's lights on the side, there's lights inside the vents, front, under the car, back of the car, everywhere. Inside the engine bay, sound system, bass knob is right here, really, really nice. And yeah, there's lights inside the woofer as well. Around the box area, looks really good. Aren't you excited about this car?
Yeah, very excited.
Yeah, I can tell. You don't look excited at all.
Yeah.
You just want to go home.
Oh yeah, very excited, man.
Who's the bully now? So now you guys see the real bully of the shop. Don't you guys remember since day one, they taped me on the wall?
You can't beat elderly people. If you beat them, I'm gonna beat you. Okay?
You guys remember? You guys remember how they taped me on the wall the first time? He's doing the same thing. They duct taped me to the wall. Little bit.
I'll hit you up.
He's a sick person.
Like a kid.
Like a kid, yeah.
No tuvo infancia.
No tiene infancia.
No tuvo infancia.
No tiene infancia means he never had a childhood.
Hey, that's a nice mask. Thank you. Love it.
I actually like this. I love these Raptors. I'm a big fan. I love the color. You know, the black looks really cool with the gray. I love it.
What are you doing?
I'm talking about the truck. Oh, he's continuing. Hey.
Ford Raptor, chalk gray, wrap, blackout, carbon fiber everywhere. It's a nice truck. But did you like that TRX better from the last episode, or you like this one better? I hope Raptor levels it up a little bit.
That TRX is one expensive truck. It's
I
crazy.
still think this looks cooler though, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Like the front end of that TRX was like gigantic, weird. This is still like cleaner in my opinion. Especially with these LEDs you add on, looks really nice.
Yeah.
I still like this. It's all about horsepower. If Sarkis was here, he would talk about 0 to 60 times, but that's not what it's all about. Hey Sarkis, that truck that came yesterday will beat your car.
I know. If it beats my car, it will do yours too.
My car's faster than your car.
No, it's not possible.
First of all, you have half a car.
Yeah,
You don't have a car anymore. You have half a car.
That's true.
Your 0 to 60 now can't be possible. Moses' Camry is faster than your car now.
Yeah, now yes. So this is what happened. I'm a disabled person in a football field, but I still walk. It means I'm still a lion, but still they around me. They try to mess with me, but I'm still a lion.
How are you lying?
The only thing true was the first thing you said. That's the only thing. Yes, that's the only thing.
Yeah, disabled person in the football field, but I'm still the king.
Football, not football. With my broken English. Like
I'm in English. Please, if there's a doctor, I know there's a lot of followers we have. Please call us, ask for Vic or Mano. Help us out.
yeah, and what is he gonna do? Answer the phone? Hey, I do need help.
We're still very highly interested in a body shop manager, preferably one that doesn't crash his own car and fix it at the shop. Alright guys, another Novitec Widebody Cullinan right here. This thing is absurd. As you guys remember, Shalizi's, which is kind of the same concept, same wheels, but his had that red interior. This has that insane mandarin orange interior. Also, we have some orange accents all over the car, like the emblems all over it. So black on orange, incredible. The Novitec Widebody looks amazing. As you guys already know, super clean kit. Comes with all the flares, the front bumper, and rear diffuser, little trunk lip, all that stuff. The car is also lowered. This is in low mode, so you're not gonna drive in this mode. This is for picture mode. You raise the car, it's gonna look clean, as you guys saw in the rolling shots. But this is in picture mode, looks incredible, of course. Black on orange, man. Really, really awesome combination. One of the most sought after color combinations is this black on orange. Also white on orange. Those two combinations are the biggest Cullinans out there. So, as usual, we weren't happy fully with the kit. Actually, the kit is nice, but we like to do things a little differently at RDB. We like to show our skills off a little bit more and make sure people understand it's done by RDB. So we went ahead and customized the whole rear end of the kit again. The diffuser fins were enlarged. We added a little tiny roof deck spoiler lip, so the roof spoiler extends out a little bit. And then we also added some custom exhaust tips. So the back end of this is incredible, just like Shalizi's car. These two are the only ones in the world, so 2 of 2 now with the fully custom rear end of the Widebody Novitec kit. Makes it look so much better, honestly. Really, really aggressive and clean. Other than that, flawless paint job on the flares, no blending, none of that stuff. We painted the kit, put it on, glued it. It looks amazing. Honestly, this is something I would definitely drive if I were to get a Cullinan. So we're gonna do a lot more wide bodies, but yeah. Also, want to talk about our website. We changed a few things up. We're doing a fulfillment center now, so everything's gonna ship faster. We also dropped these hats, which was on my Instagram. I got so many DMs, but now they're available on our website, so get them while they last. We didn't order too many. I think we're gonna order more, but these hats are ridiculous. They fit really, really well. Wear them front, back, amazing. A lot of room, and then obviously has that patch in the front. So new stuff going on the website. This Cullinan's insane, and a lot going on.
This mark with the...
That's not me.
Huh?
That mark is not this.
Dude, this guy...
That's bull.
Have you seen me? Ah! Again! Ah! Do it!
He's a psychopath. Oh, God.
No, good. Very good. Okay. Won't make a dent, that's for sure.
Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on.